in today's video I'll be doing a glam makeup look. Today I will be doing a cut crease and it's gonna be like a purpley makeup look, so I hope you guys do enjoy and just keep on watching, and I will be attempting to put on false lashes, so hopefully that goes well. If you guys don't see me with the false lash at the end, just know that's why, but I'm really hoping that I can get them on my eyes today and that it adds more sass to my makeup look. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos this year so far. Hope you guys are having a good new year, and let's get into this. For primer, we're going to be using this, which is the Makeup Forever Base Mattifying Primer. I'm going to just dab this one in, because dab and like swipe but don't rub, because this one balls up a little bit if you do that. And I'm going to also put it on my nose. I'm gonna speed up the face portion because the eyes will be taking a lot of time out of this video, and I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm just gonna speed up the face portion. I will show you guys which products I use, like this. I'll show you guys. We're gonna get into the eyeshadow now, and we're gonna be doing a cut crease. So let's start. I'm gonna be using my Tartiest Pro palette, and we're gonna go into Whimsy, and this is an orange shade, and I just love it. So we're of course gonna start off with that. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M511 as per usual, and this palette has a really good mirror. You guys can see my mess. So I'm just using two mirrors right now. You want to hold the brush, the ferrule, very low, and just blend in circular motions and windshield wiper motions. And I'm putting that color all throughout my crease and my outer V. Very messily though, it's not perfect. Into bold, which is over here, and I'm gonna do the same motion that I was doing with Whimsy. This is just going to add some depth to your eye. this shade here, which is No Filter, with the same brush, which is the M511. And I'm keeping this mostly in the outer corner, but I will blend it inward. So you're doing tiny circular motions and inching it up, up, up. So as you guys can tell, I'm leaving my lid bare because that's where we're gonna add the shimmer to. So I'm gonna be taking my M33 brush and I'm gonna go into a deeper purple, which is this one called Drama. I'm gonna be going to Drama now, which is deeper purple, and I'm gonna place it more so on my outer upper lash line and just keep it here. I'm not gonna blend it all the way. I'm gonna use the flat shader brush actually first and then blend it out with that brush. Hard part, we're gonna put the concealer on the lid, and I will be using this one because it's good. It's very tacky. So basically what you want to do is you want to put concealer, like a drop, and look up. That is how high my cut crease is gonna go because, you know, I have huge eyeballs. So let's just do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place some concealer on my lid, and then I'm gonna take my brush. Where is it? I'm gonna get my concealer brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. This is the part that you need to be somewhat careful about because you don't want it to go too far down. So we're gonna stop about where my arch is. Out where you're gonna put the shimmer shade when you do place it on your lid. So that's all I'm putting on that one, and now we're gonna do the other. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna use my concealer brush and I'm gonna put it up to here, okay? So get as much as the area you can with your finger and then just use the brush to get where you can. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. So I'm going to use my finger. I'm actually going to take this brush, which is my e.l.f. Detailed Crease brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Vamped that I used before. Did I use this one before? No, I used Drama. I'm gonna go into Vamp and I'm gonna do details work in the crease area so that it blends a little bit better. And I'm basically just rolling the brush like this. As you guys can see, that does make a difference. It adds a bit of depth. It connects the outer corner all the way inward. You want to take more of that shadow and kind of blend these two together so there's not a harsh line there. Then you're going to take one of those fluffy brushes and just blend over here to add that orange back. So I'm just going to use a flat kind of fluffy brush and I'm going to just put the eyebrow shadow color, and it's going to be this. And I never used to put a shadow under, under here, but I feel like it does complete the makeup look. So we're just gonna do that very quickly, and it's a quick step. So on top of that, I'm gonna use this color from the Galaxy palette, which I think is Metro Crush. And it's like a pinky gold purple. And I'm just gonna place that right down the center of my eye just so it could attract some light. Now we're going to quickly do the lower lash line, and I'm actually going to use the same detailed crease brush that I used previously. But you guys always know I don't like to spend a lot of time on my lower lash line, so I'm going to blend this shade in with this. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this shadow from the Fenty palette, the Galaxy one, and I'm not sure the name, but it's the gold, the very, very gold one. And I'm going to be using my little brush. I'm going to put that in my inner corner to just add some brightness to it. We are done with the eyes. I'm going to put mascara and I'm going to put my lashes, and I'll be right back. Oh, and the mascara that I'll be using is the Get Big Lashes 3 Triple Black Mascara by Essence. So you guys, I put these falsies on, and since I never wear falsies, I feel like these things are enormous. I feel like I have wings on my eyes, and I've tried other falsies and they're always like huge. Like the space between my eyelid and my eyebrow shrinks tremendously. Do you guys have any eyelashes that you guys like to wear that are like kind of shorter but like super fluffy and voluminous? I feel like these are almost ridiculous, and this eye, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to pick it up, but I didn't put it on quite well, but I really don't care. I can't be bothered. I put it on one time and was like, that's it, not taking them off. But I don't know how I feel about them. What do you guys think? Are they too much? I think it's too much. I think I would rather shorter lashes, like just a little bit shorter and way more full, like more. The highlighter palette I'm going to be using is the Nicole Guerriero highlight palette, and it's with Anastasia, and I'm going to be using Glow Getter on my little A23 brush by Anastasia. For my brow gel, I already used the Benefit Give Me Brow for the brow gel. For liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Suede one in London. For a liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. I've really been enjoying their formula. I want to buy more lippies by them. I'm going to be setting my face with the Kat Von D setting spray. And I always go over with my beauty blender. My makeup actually came out really good today, and I'm not going anywhere. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys do enjoy it. It's very glam, but I kept everything also very easy to do and natural, if that makes sense. I really love this look. I don't know how I feel about the lashes because, you know, I never usually wear any lashes, but lashes like falsies, but other than that, I really like it. I like how the eyes came out. I like how I added that shimmer. And yeah, and I really like how the lips are muted. You can't really, like, you can see I have liquid lipstick or something on my lips, but you can't tell. Like, they don't, your eye doesn't just draw to my lips, it draws to my eyes, especially with these huge lashes. It really catches your attention. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to kind of like and subscribe, and if you guys try out this look, tag me on Instagram or comment down below. Bye guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day wherever you are.